In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating profile not visible. So if your profile is not visible, one of the main reasons why this could be happening is that you haven't fully completed your profile. And what I mean by that is that you haven't uploaded multiple different pictures, you haven't included your interest or anything like that. So it's really important that you don't have an empty profile. So as you're able to tell, I currently have an empty profile over here. I only have my name and picture, but I don't have any preferences or anything like that. So to maximize your chances of getting your profile seen, make sure you put effort into your actual Facebook dating profile by including a profile picture, multiple images, and even connecting your Instagram account as well. That is going to help you out significantly. So again, keep that in mind. Also, you guys could also use this section that says Spotlight. And basically what Spotlight does is that it makes your account pop up even more. So if you see an option that says Spotlight, please go ahead and press on it right over here, and then you can go ahead and begin using it. Another thing I want you to do is I want you to adjust your Facebook dating settings. So go to the main dating section over here, go to the top right and select on your profile icon, then select on settings right here. And what I want you guys to do is I want you to turn on Get Seen by More. So make sure to turn that on right over here, and make sure that take a break is turned off, because you don't want to take a break. Obviously, if you're trying to get dates on Facebook dating, you need to make sure that is turned off so that your profile is actually able to get seen. And another thing you need to do is you may need to wait a little bit if your Facebook dating profile is fresh. So if you just made it, then you need to wait a little bit before it actually gets shown to other people and stuff like that. But typically, whenever you don't get any matches or anything like that, then Facebook dating is going to help you out by putting you in the spotlight. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.